Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Beat Studio 3 and your source device. Press and hold the power button until the LED blinks. That puts the headphones into discoverable mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. Open the Bluetooth settings so you can watch for devices as they appear. Once done, keep the headphones close, within about 3 feet, so pairing signals remain strong. If the LED is steady, briefly toggle power to force fresh discovery. You tap the Beat Studio 3 entry in the Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompt shown. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or confirm. Most modern devices won't need a code. After you choose the headset, watch for a connected status and listen for the audio cue. This confirms a successful link. If audio doesn't route automatically, open the media app and play briefly. Then switch output to Beats in sound settings. Make sure noise-canceling settings sync if your device supports it. You finalize by setting the Beats as your default audio output and testing mic and active noise canceling. If pairing fails, perform a quick reset. Hold power and volume down for 10 seconds to clear memory, then retry pairing. Once done, make sure firmware is current via the Beats or device app. If you still see issues, reboot the source device, clear its Bluetooth cache, and pair again. Troubleshooting tip: interference from other radios.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.